Jafron has several cartridges, from the largest one with the HA380 to the lowest one like the HA130 or HA60. To hold the Jafron cartridge on the different CRRT devices, use the holders shown on this video. To connect in series the Jafron cartridges with the different CRRT devices, you need to use this specific tubing set with the bypass system. You also need to use this rubber hammer to deaerate the Jafron HA cartridge correctly. Finally, in any HA series cartridge, you will find a spanner tool to unlock the two caps of the cartridge. Inside the tubing set, you will find a priming line with two spiking connectors to prime with 3 liters of saline solution. Then you have the main line with the bypass system with 2 wide clamps, plus a priming collection bag of 2 liters collecting the priming solution, 2 adapters depending on the device you're going to connect in series. Finally, a spanner to unlock the 2 caps of the cartridge.